This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5 Java Applet Programming. Java programs can be applications or applets. With applets being small programs designed for GUI programming that run in a window and can include multimedia elements like images, buttons, labels, and text fields. The applet class imports the necessary packages and extends the applet class, containing the paint method to display content on the applet window using a graphics object, all of which is embedded within an HTML file using the applet tag. The structure of an applet program involves writing the Java code, embedding it in an HTML file, and running it in an applet viewer with import statements, a class declaration extending applet, and the definition of variables and methods required for the applet's functionality. There are 5 key methods that can be used in applet programming: init, start, stop, destroy, and paint, with the paint method being defined and used for rendering graphics, while start and stop control the applet's execution, and destroy removes it entirely. The init method is particularly important, as it allows programmers to reconfigure the applet's properties, such as resizing the window, retrieving input parameters from the HTML file, and drawing shapes or displaying custom strings using methods like g.drawrect and g.drawString. Unlike applications, applets do not require a main method, can only use specific methods, are embedded in HTML pages, and have limited access to input sources, network connections, and external programs, as they are designed for a more restricted environment within web browsers. In summary, applets enable GUI and multimedia elements in web browsers, with a code structure involving imports, a class extending applet, and specific methods like init and paint, while applications offer more flexibility, but lack the web integration of applets. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.